Hi and welcome to today's video by Study Unifees. Are you a potential grad student in the USA? That means, do you plan to apply for your master's in America? If so, this video is very important for you. Today, we will discuss what kind of profile the successful grad applicant has. We will also discuss all the success factors that make your grad application successful. Firstly, most successful applicants for a grad course in the USA have a very good undergrad profile in your home country. That means that your profile up to your bachelor's in your home country should be excellent. Firstly, the university that you have studied in should be reputed and highly ranked in your country. In addition, you must have really good scores in your undergrad course. Finally, if there is a research component in your undergrad studies, it will be very beneficial for your visa application. Next, what kind of university have you chosen for your master's study in the USA? Most universities have grad schools, but choose a university that has a very good reputation and ranking in the USA. The overall ranking of the university and also the ranking of the program should be optimal to ensure that you are successful in your visa application for a grad course in the USA. Next, successful grad applicants have really good language proficiency and reasoning test scores. All students applying for grad courses to the United States should give either the IELTS or the TOEFL or the PT. Make sure you score at least a 6.5 or a 7.0 in the IELTS, or the equivalent in PTE and TOEFL. Though many universities accept international students without GRE and GMAT, it's a good idea to apply for your visa to the US with a great GRE and GMAT score. GRE and GMAT are indicators of academic success at a grad school in the US. So, a score of 300 plus in the GRE or 550 plus in the GMAT demonstrates that you're ready for a master's course in the US. Now, we come to the visa interview. Successful candidates in the visa interview demonstrate positive intent. The first thing they demonstrate through their answers to the questions is that their intent matches their visa category. Remember, the F1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. Your answers should demonstrate that you are not an immigrant. The only purpose of your visa application is to study in the US. There should also be no red flags. There should also be no red flags in your application. The most common red flags that get you rejected in the USA are visa violations by family members. Also, during the interview, the successful grad applicant to the US demonstrates that they have a very good command and knowledge of higher education, particularly grad studies in the US. They know all about their course and the institution they have chosen. They know all about the future prospects with that course. At the interview, you should also very convincingly talk about the means, that is, the financial means that will make your study in the USA plans possible. Demonstrate a really good financial plan. Successful candidates during the interview have been able to convince visa officers that their financial planning is excellent. They are also very conversant with the work rules. Very importantly, the successful grad applicant for a study visa in the US demonstrates very good ties in their home countries. Professional ties, whereby a company you work for has given you leave to study abroad and promised to rehire you after your studies. Familial ties, whereby your entire immediate family is in your home country. Economic ties, things of an economic nature that will make you return. And community ties are some of the most important ties. The successful grad visa applicant to the US is able to demonstrate that they have a solid suite of ties. Finally, And most importantly, the successful grad applicant for an F1 visa demonstrates excellent communication skills during the interview. Their answers are highly analytical and also focused. Most importantly, they appear confident. They appear as if they know that they deserve a visa. Thanks for watching this video. For more insightful videos like this, like, share and subscribe. To start your grad journey to the US or your journey to any other country at any level, register at studyunifees.io.